Okay, welcome to the xampp, and now I'm just changing my xampp into a newer version. As what I've seen, my version here right now in my xampp was pretty damn old here. It's 5.35, so you can see here 5.6. The old, the older version now I have to update, so I think I have to use this one here because if I'm using here this software, the requirements would be a higher version. So if you said here, some software need to be upgraded. Yeah, we'll be needing a version for your PHP. Mm. So I'm gonna be changing this one to this one here. So I'm gonna be downloading. So what's included? This is the package here. So I have to download in my own web server in my local host. I'm gonna download that here. I'm gonna uninstall here and then download to new version. See, so tweet. Okay, here we go. It's 125, 124 MB. Okay, I'm gonna make some tweet and support the platform. There you go. So that's how you're gonna download, and I'm gonna be uninstall this one here. This it's quite old. Yeah, so need to upgrade the version of my PHP. So I'm gonna delete this one, uninstall, and then I'm gonna install a new version. So I'm gonna go to my software here. I'm gonna stop this one here. Okay, stop. How is that? Stop already there. So I have to stop this one and then I have to uninstall this one. So the directory was here. So I'm gonna uninstall all of this one here. So you're gonna move to your control panel there. So go to your control panel. So go to your computer and then open control panel, programs there. See, these are all the programs. So I'm gonna uninstall this one xampp because the software itself is quite old. I have to make some update there. So just click, double click, wait for a while. So I'm gonna uninstall it and then I'm gonna uninstall it and I'm gonna be moving the folder name in my hard drive. So I'm gonna save this one in my notepad there. I'm gonna uninstall there. Need to be uninstalled when you are using you're gonna be using a new application for your PHP. It should be a version higher version because there are software compatibility needed. So wait for a while there until it's really successfully. Yeah, there you go. It's already uninstalled for a while there, and then after that, you're gonna install a new one. New one already installed there. So I'm gonna go to my downloads. There we go. All right there. Remove all. Need a base also. Want something fresh and new. Once you delete the file, you just have to install a new one for your PHP. I think that's software cycle. The software you need to constantly updating the software. Waiting there, we have to check. All right there, and then sort by date. So you have to find the folder name. Software folder name where you I put one. All right. So it take time to search in it. Sort by type. The name is, oh, still in 19%. I think it's gonna take time. Right, okay. I think it's gonna take a little time before it's really complete. Just know the folder name. We're gonna install your xampp. It will take time. It has finally installed uninstalled. There you go. So I think now it's still 10, so it takes a little time. But it's complete. Wait for a couple of seconds until it's really finalized and complete. There you go.